Hi, this video is a step-by-step tutorial how to make the purse Lambro. I made this tutorial so that you can understand it even without sound. The link to this pattern is in the description box. For more patterns with video instructions, visit my website GettingLoosey.com. This video is divided into chapters, so you can just jump to the desired topics. For Lambro you need fabric and contrast fabric. I used cotton fabric for both. How many times you need to cut out each pattern piece from which fabric is indicated on each pattern piece. The required amount of fabric and supplies is also indicated in the pattern information and in this video description. You should reinforce one of the two purse body parts and two of the four side parts with interfacing. I use Vilene H250. I cut the interfacing without seam allowances. The edges of the card slot I also reinforce with Vilene H250. The zipper for this project should be at least 12 cm or about 5 inches long. A snap or magnetic button serves as the closure. Let's start with the card slot. Trace the mountain and valley markings onto the fabric. The right side of the fabric is facing you. Fold the mountain lines towards you and the valley lines away from you. Press the pleats in place. Sew the lining piece right sides together to the top edge of the card slot. Now you can iron on the edge reinforcements. It's best to start at the bottom. Make sure that the adhesive side of the interfacing is facing up. Iron on all edge reinforcements like this. Top stitch all edges from the right, except the upper edge. Fold the lining right sides together onto the card slot piece. Close the open sides but leave an opening at the bottom edge. Trim the corners and turn the piece inside out. And now you can top stitch the upper edge as well. Continue with the side parts. Place one reinforced piece right sides together to one unreinforced piece. Sew them together but leave an opening for turning. Trim the corners and turn both side parts. After pressing, top stitch the top edges with the openings. Trace the zipper opening onto the wrong side of the pocket piece. Place the pocket piece right sides together on the unreinforced purse body piece. Sew both pieces together along the zipper opening. Now cut the zipper opening open, but only up to 1 cm or 3/8 of an inch before the end. From here, cut diagonally into the corners until you reach the seam, but be careful not to cut through the seam. Turn the pocket through this opening to the other side of the purse body piece. Iron the whole part neatly flat. Now place the zipper and sew it along the edges. If your zipper is a bit longer, like mine, just cut off the overlap afterwards. Fold the bottom pocket part up and sew the open sides closed. Then you can trim back the edges. Mark the dashed lines of the pattern piece on the right side of the fabric piece. Center the card slots as shown. Top stitch them onto the purse piece. Place the reinforced purse body piece right side to right side on the inner piece. Sew both parts together, but leave an opening. If you are using a magnetic button, you will need to attach it before sewing both purse pieces together. Trim the seam allowances and turn the purse. Mark the dashed lines. These are your marks for the side parts. Now sew the side parts to the main body as shown. Stitch along the entire edge of the purse. At the end, attach the snap. Now the purse Lambro is ready. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. For more sewing patterns with video instruction, visit my website GettingLoosey.com.